So we started on a journey to become an insight-driven organization. And this started before I got there. And first of all, we decided that our systems, our EHR, are old and we want to replace them, like many of the other hospitals. And they went with Cerner. So it was implemented as the model of implementation for EHRs go in 18 months. And was finished by September 2019. Then we decided that we have all of this data. We have data and we should be actually getting a cloud data lake. And somebody said, oh, this nice box, we should get it and put all our data in there. So we did that. And then we had to also, at the same time doing all of this, we had to say, oh, we have to do all of this, analytics and reporting, and it has to be integrated, and we have to come up with these new ideas, and we have to do this great work, and then map the whole thing. And okay, so when I got there, it was like, I was very excited. Data lake, my God, not a lot of hospitals have data lakes. We create little data marts and all of that, a data lake. So I asked, what does it look like? And I discovered that we have this beautiful shiny box with a lot of sand in it. The sand is all colorful and all mixed, but we want to be able to separate our colored sands and make logic out of each piece, and we don't have that. Meaning the data lake is not configured the way it should be used. So that's something we needed to do. And we needed to make sure the security, all of the things we talked about earlier, was in place. Do we have this? Do we have that? Actually, people are so busy and the resources are so limited that not everybody had the answers. So we actually had to find, decision support had to find answers. So we tried to work this out to make sure that we can configure a data lake properly. And then another thing that I found very, very useful in my past experience is that you need to really build a data foundation before you think of all of this analytics and AI. I mean, I know it's the big words and it's fancy, and if we talk about it, we're doing great. But my belief is that if I don't have that foundation, I will not trust what comes out of it, yet alone my end users.